Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on 5G in this device. So for this, go to settings. Okay, now here you can see the option cellular. So first of all we need to enable the cellular data. Turn on this one. Here you can see the option cellular data options. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option voice and data. Tap on this one. So here you can see some options: 5G auto, 5G on and 4G. You can see what the 5G auto means and 5G on means. 5G auto uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing battery life. And you can see 5G on uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. So you can use either 5G on or 5G auto. So here I am going to enable 5G on. Okay, so simply in this way you can enable the 5G or in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.